Hi everyone, it's May Angel. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa mga nag-request po ng tutorial video on how to file death claim in SSS, tuturuan ko po kayo dito. So, ang manner of filing natin sa death claim with SSS is pwedeng online, pwedeng over the counter. Ang online filing natin guys, para lang po ito sa mga dependent legal spouse. Okay, kapag mag-file po ng death claim, ang online po ay para lang po sa mga dependent legal spouse. Ang walk-in naman, kapag ikaw ay secondary beneficiary na, designated beneficiary, or legal heirs, walk-in po ang kailangan kay SSS, hindi po pwedeng online. And take note lang din po sa ating mga legal spouse dyan, bago kayo mag-apply online, make sure meron na po kayong approved disbursement account. Dahil doon nyo marireceive ang inyong death claim. Okay? And ang gagamitin natin guys na account, dapat yung SSS online account natin mismo. Hindi po pwede na SSS online account ng namatay na member. Ikaw legal spouse, dapat meron kang SSS online account. Okay? Pag wala, mag-walk-in ka na lang. Okay? Para sa mga legal spouse natin dyan, mag-open lang kayo ng inyong SSS online account. Punta tayo sa benefits. And then, i-click natin tong death claim. So, dito, i-click lang natin tong proceed. And then, dito sa details, kailangan po natin ang SSS number ng deceased member ng namatay mong spouse. No? SSS number niya, surname, given name, date of birth, date of death. And then, dito, death benefit applied for SS death or EC. EC kapag po work-connected yung ikinamatay niya. Okay? Kapag okay na, i-click lang natin ang proceed. And then dito guys, lalabas ang iyong estimated na monthly pension na makukuha kay SSS. And i-click lang natin tong okay. Ito naman ang lalabas kapag ang deceased member ay meron lang siyang less than 36 months. So ibig sabihin hindi siya nakaabot ng 36 months guys, na kung saan ikaw legal spouse dapat mag-monthly pension ka sana kapag naka 36 months and above siya. So kapag less than 36 months lang, ibig sabihin lump sum one-time cash payment. So lalabas po dito. So ito yung lalabas guys ha kapag lump sum ang makukuha mong death claim, hindi pension. Okay? And then i-click natin ang proceed. So dito may mga questions and answer. I-click nyo lang ang yes or no, no? For example, are you incapacitated or under the guardianship of another person? Are you remarried or living with another person without the benefit of marriage? Are you legally separated or with previous marriage? Was the deceased member previously covered and worked into the government? Was the deceased member previously worked abroad and covered under the Social Security abroad? Is deceased member currently receiving pension? SS number under other persons or benefits? Yan. So, basahin nyo lang maigi. And then, pipiliin nyo lang, i-click nyo lang ang yes if yes, and no if no. Kapag okay na, i-click nyo ang proceed. So, dito na po tayo sa inyong disbursement account. Again, dapat meron kayong approved disbursement account. So, pipili lang kayo dyan, guys. And then, i-click nyo ang proceed. And then, lalabas to, embedded page. Says, continue death application. So, i-click lang natin ang okay. And then dito sa attached documents guys, ayan, marriage certificate of deceased member, duly registered with the LCR or issued by the PSA. So i-click lang natin yung choose file. And you have to make sure guys, malinaw yung file na i-attach nyo ha. And then pangalawang documents na kailangan, certificate of death of member, duly registered with the local civil registry or issued by PSA. So, ganun din, i-attach natin yung file dito. And, yan, i-click na natin ang proceed. So, dito sa certification, i-click lang natin tong certify and proceed. And, ito na siya, death benefit claim application successfully submitted. I-click natin ang okay. And then, lalabas to guys, you have successfully submitted your death claim application to SSS. And dito yung transaction number. Pwede nyo itong i-screenshot o kaya i-print nyo. No, para may copy kayo ng transaction number kapag nagfa-follow up kayo. And may marireceive din kayo sa email from notification from SSS guys na successfully submitted ng inyong death claim application. So, ang tanong ngayon, mga ilang araw nyo naman yan marireceive. Actually guys, kapag walang problema sa account, mga maayos yung records, yung iba dito, wala pang 1 week na receive na nila ang death claim. Iba 2 weeks. So, yung iba pabalik-balik dahil kulang-kulang yung mga documents nila at yung records nila magulo. So, kung maayos yung records nyo, walang problema sa pag-claim ng death claim with SSS. Alright, SSS members, that's all for my video for today. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless you all.